Good afternoon, Year 9s, and welcome to the option presentation for GCSE Computer Science. My name is Miss Garwood, and I'll be taking you through what the course looks like. So, firstly, what is computer science? Computer science is looking at the science behind some of the computational systems that we use every day, looking at programming and how we can use it to solve real-life problems. Okay, it's really engaging and it's practical as well, and it also encourages you to think about the core concepts within computer science and how we can apply them. Okay, so on this slide you'll see the breakdown of the computer science OCR GCSE, and it's split up into two papers. We have our computer systems paper, which is paper 1, and that covers system architecture, so some of the hardware and software within our computer system and the function of the CPU. We look at memory and storage, how to create computer networks and some of the protocols that we use within that. We start to look at system security and the malware that we can come across and how to protect against it. System software, so the functions of the operating system. And then we look at the ethical, legal, cultural, and environmental impacts of digital technology, okay, and how to become conscious computer scientists. In our second paper, we focus on computational thinking, algorithms, and programming. We look at how to create programs and how to plan using algorithms. We look at some Boolean logic and some of the integrated development environments that we can use as software developers. Both of these papers are weighted equally. They're both an hour and a half and they're 80 marks each. The first paper is completely theory, and it also has a long answer question within that. And then the second paper is split up into two bits. So one testing some theory knowledge, and then the second part of that paper is about writing code and being able to adapt code. So just an overview again of how the course works. So it's 100% exam, as I've mentioned, and both of those exams weight at 50% each, and they're an hour and a half, and you need to answer all of the questions. So moving on to the entry requirements for this, computer science requires a level 7 in mathematics, and that's just because it has a lot of mathematical concepts in it, and therefore we need a high level of maths in order to be able to access that. We also need a level 4 in English, just because there are some longer answer questions to answer as well. So the next slide is on higher education and careers, so where computer science can take you. So a lot of students who do computer science at GCSE choose to do it at A level and then eventually onto degree level as well. And some of the careers that computer science can lead into are things like software development, database administration, engineering, game development, web development, and of course, computer programming. Okay, on this side below, hopefully you can see some examples there of student work. So on the left-hand side is some examples of programming, and this was a student creating a game. And then on the right-hand side is some of our theory work to do with images and pixels. So hopefully that's provided you with some more information about computer science. But if you do have any questions about entry requirements or about some of what we might study, please feel free to contact me on my email address, which is below s.garwood2@harrisgreenwich.org.uk. Bye.